He's like, I want you to live a life of purpose. I want you to walk in the fullness of what God has for you, but I need you to understand that it's not about you. It's actually what God can do through you to impact others. And that's the secret to living a life of purpose. And so he's addressing a few problems for the Corinthian church. You know, they were arguing about who should they follow? Who's the best guy? Who's the guy who's got the word of the Lord? You know, this one, he's ready. The revelation that just flows from his lips, that's the one I want to follow. But he's saying when we think like that, we think like the Corinthians, and he calls the Corinthians immature and worldly. Immature, spiritually immature people always focus on themselves. What's my preference? What's my comfort? What is my recognition? How and when am I being noticed? When can I come onto the platform? When can I come into a space of exercising my gift? But mature believers actually flips the questions, and it rather asks us, who am I building up?